Hi friends, today we are going to discuss the compound ratios, duplicate ratio, subduplicate, subtriplicate and reciprocal ratios, and its formulas are already discussed in the shorts. You can watch that short. Now we will do the questions. First question is, find the compound ratio of 2a is to 3b, mn is to x square and x is to n. Okay, now we have learned the formula that compound ratio is equal to product of antecedent is to product of consequence. Means 2a into mn into x is to 2a into mn into x is to 3b into x square into n. Okay, now this is equal to 2a into mn into x over 3b into x square into n. Now we can cancel x is cancelled by 1x, then n is cancelled by n, and we are left with 2am over 3bx. So it can be written as compound ratio is equal to 2am is to 3bx. This is our answer. Next question is, find the duplicate ratio of 3 root 3 is to 2 root 5. Now we know that duplicate ratio is equal to a square is to b square. So this is a and this is b. So we will put the values. 3 root 3 whole square is to 2 root 5 whole square. Now we will solve it. 3 3s are 9. 9 into 3 is to 4 into 5. So this is 9 3s are 27 is to 20. So this is our duplicate ratio. Next question is, find the triplicate ratio of m over 2 is to n over 3. We know that triplicate ratio is equal to a cube is to b cube. Now this is a and this is b. So we will put the values. M over 2 whole cube is equal to n over 3 whole cube. This becomes m cube over 8 is to n cube over 27. So we can solve it. This is equal to m cube over 8 over n cube over 27. When we solve it, we will do the reciprocal. We get 27 m cube over 8 n cube. So it can be written as 27 m cube is to 8 n cube. This is our triplicate ratio, right? Now the question is, find the subduplicate ratio of x minus y whole raised to power 4 is to x plus y whole raised to power 6. Now we know that subduplicate ratio is equal to root a is to root b. Now we will put the values. It means x minus y whole raised to power 4 whole root is to x plus y whole raised to power 6 whole root. Right? Now I will solve it. Now it becomes x minus y whole raised to power 4. Root means 1 by 2. So we can write it as 1 over 2. We can cancel it. 2. So it is also written as x plus y whole raised to power 6 whole raised to power 1 by 2. This is cancelled. 2 3 the 6. So answer is x minus y whole square is to x plus y whole cube. Right? So this is subduplicate ratio. Now next question is, find the subtriplicate ratio of x cube is to 125 y cube. Now we know that subtriplicate ratio is equal to cube root of a is to cube root of b. So we put the values. So it becomes cube root of x cube is to cube root of 125 y cube. So it can be written as x cube raised to power 1 over 3, 125 y cube whole raised to power 1 by 3. Right? Now this is cancelled, so it becomes x is 2. Now 125 is cube of 5, so it can be written as 5 cube whole cube. Now y is written as y cube raised to power 1 by 3. So these are cancelled. So we get x is 2, 5y. So subtriplicate ratio is x is to 5y. Next question is find the reciprocal ratio of x over 3 is to y over 7. We know that reciprocal ratio is equal to 1 over a is to 1 over b. So it becomes 1 over x over 3 is to 1 over y over 7. So it can be written as, जब इसका reciprocal हो जाएगा 3 over x is to 7 over y बन जाएगा ये. Now it can also be written as 3 over x whole over 7 over y. Now we can solve it. 3 over x into y over 7. So it becomes 3y over 7x. So this is written as 3y is to 7x. So reciprocal ratio is 3y is to 7x. The next question is if m is to n is the duplicate ratio of m plus x is to n plus x, show that x square is equal to mn. So it is given m is to n is equal to duplicate ratio of m plus x is to n plus x. So duplicate means square. It means m plus x whole square over n plus x whole square. Now we will solve it. This implies m over n is equal to, we apply the formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is written as m square plus n square plus 2mx over n square plus x square plus 2nx. Right? This implies we will do the cross multiplication. M into n square plus x square plus 2nx is equal to n into m square plus x square plus 2mx. Right? So this implies mn square plus mx square plus 2mnx is equal to nm square plus nx square plus 2mnx. Now 2mnx both are cancelled. So we got here mn square plus mx square is equal to nm square plus nx square. Now we will take constant term to one side and variable to another side. So it becomes mx square minus nx square. I have taken this to this side is equal to nm square minus mn square. So this implies we can take x square common, m minus n is equal to mn is common, m minus n. Right? Now m minus n and m minus n are again cancelled. So here we got the answer x square is equal to mn, which we have to prove. So this is proved. Right? Now the question is find the ratio, compounded ratio of the reciprocal ratio of 15 is to 28, the subduplicate ratio of 36 is to 49 and the triplicate ratio of 5 is to 4. इसमें हमने क्या करना है, हमें कंपाउंडेड रेशो फाइंड करनी है, पर उससे पहले हमें रेसिप्रोकल रेशो फाइंड करनी है इसकी 5:28 की, सब डुप्लीकेट रेशो फाइंड करनी है 36:49 की, देन ट्रिप्लीकेट रेशो फाइंड करनी है 5:4 की. उसके बाद जो आंसर आएगा उसकी हमने कंपाउंडेड रेशो फाइंड करनी है, जिसका फॉर्मूला होता है प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एंटीसीडेंट इज टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ कॉन्सिक्वेंस. राइट? पहले हम फाइंड करेंगे रेसिप्रोकल रेशियो ऑफ 15:28 मीन्स a is to b की क्या होती है, b is to a, 28 is to 15. नाउ सब डुप्लीकेट रेशियो ऑफ 36:49 मीन्स रूट a is to रूट b होता है, तो रूट करेंगे अगर रूट 36 is to रूट 49, स्क्वायर रूट 36 का 6 is to 7 हो जाएगा 49 का. ट्रिप्लीकेट रेशियो ऑफ 5:4 मीन्स हमने इसको क्यूब करना है, 5 क्यूब is to 4 cube. So this is 125:64. Right now अब हमें कंपाउंडेड रेशियो क्या होता है, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एंटीसीडेंट इज टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ कॉन्सिक्वेंट. तो एंटीसीडेंट मीन्स फर्स्ट टर्म आप लोगे, मीन्स 28 इंटू 6 इंटू 125 इज टू सेकेंड टर्म आ जाएगी 15 इंटू 7 इंटू 64. सो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज 28 इंटू 6 इंटू 125 ओवर 15 इंटू 7 इंटू 64. अब आप कैंसिलेशन कर सकते हो. डू द कैंसिलेशन. 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28. Now 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 6s are 24. अब यहाँ भी ये 5 पे जा सकता है. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. 2 3 the 6, 2 8 the 16. Now 3 and 3 cancelled. So answer is 25 over 8, or it can be written as 25:8. So compounded ratio is 25:8. This is our answer. Now question is if r square is equal to pq. ये हमें given है, show करना है हमें जो p is to q है is the duplicate ratio of p plus r is to q plus r. Means जो p plus r is to q plus r है, इसकी जो डुप्लीकेट रेशियो है वो p is to q आएगी. राइट हमें गिवन है, वो हमने लिख लिया. वी विल गिव इट नंबर 1. और डुप्लीकेट रेशियो ऑफ p plus r is to q plus r क्या आएगी, इसका स्क्वायर कर देंगे. p plus r होल स्क्वायर is to q plus r होल स्क्वायर. सो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज, हम फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे a plus b होल स्क्वायर का, a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab means 2pr, which is to q square plus r square plus 2qr. r square की जगह हम pq पुट कर सकते हैं. so we will put p square plus pq plus 2pr. ऐसे हम राइट साइड पे पुट करेंगे r square की जगह pq. राइट यहाँ we will write here using 1. ओके अब हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. देखिए फर्स्ट टर्म में से क्या कॉमन आ रहा है, p becomes p plus q plus 2r is to, now here q is common, q plus p plus 2r. अब आप देखिए जो ब्रैकेट वाली टर्म्स हैं दोनों सेम है, ये कैंसिल हो जाएंगी. सो मेरे पास क्या आ जाएगा, p is to q, विच इज आवर रिक्वायर्ड रेशियो. जो हमें प्रूव करने के लिए बोला था डुप्लीकेट रेशियो क्या आ गई हमारे पास, p is to q. दिस इज आवर आंसर. ओके द क्वेश्चन इज इफ p minus x is to q minus x with the duplicate ratio, means this is the duplicate ratio of p is to q, then show that 1 over p plus 1 over q is equal to 1 over x. हमें क्या शो करना है, 1 over p plus 1 over q किसके इक्वल है, 1 over x के. तो हम इसको कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी राइट गिवन है जो, मीन्स p minus x over q minus x is equal to p square over q square. We will do the cross multiplication now. क्या हो जाएगा, q square into p minus x is equal to p square into q minus x. Now we will multiply it. ये बन जाएगा p q square minus q square x is equal to p square q minus p square x. अब हम क्या करेंगे, x वाली टर्म्स एक साइड पे लिखेंगे और कांस्टेंट एक साइड पे लिखेंगे. सो इट बिकम्स p square x माइनस, ये हम इधर लिखे आए हैं, माइनस q square x इज इक्वल टू, ये इधर जाएगा p square q minus p q square. So this implies we will take x common, p square minus q square x common. This is equal to, यहाँ से p q common आएगा, p q p minus q. Right? अब आपके पास फॉर्मूला होता है a square minus b square का, a plus b into a minus b. हम यहाँ पे अप्लाई करेंगे. सो p square minus q square पे ये क्या बन जाएगा, p plus q into p minus q x is equal to p q p minus q. अब p minus q और p minus q कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सो हमारे पास क्या रह जाएगा, p प्लस क्यू इंटू एक्स इज इक्वल टू पी क्यू, राइट. सो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज x इज इक्वल टू पी क्यू ओवर p प्लस क्यू. सो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज, अगर हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो p प्लस क्यू ओवर पी क्यू, ये इधर आ जाएगा, इज इक्वल टू 1 over x, right. Now this can be written as p over pq, हमने इसको ब्रेक कर दिया, प्लस q over pq is equal to 1 over x. Then p, एक p कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 1 over q plus, now here q is cancelled, 1 over p is equal to 1 over x. इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 1 over p plus 1 over q is equal to 1 over x. सो हमें जो प्रूव करना था वी हैव प्रूव्ड, राइट. आई थिंक दिस टॉपिक इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन.